Adding page numbers to a worksheet is one of the most common uses of headers and footers. You can use a predefined header or footer option to add page numbers. On the Insert tab, click the Header and Footer button. On the Design tab, click the Header or Footer button. There are many options, and they're the same for header and footer. Click an option from the drop-down list, such as Page 1 of question mark, and page numbers are added to the header or footer of the worksheet. As you probably noticed, predefined headers and footers overwrite existing headers and footers. By default, Excel numbers and prints pages from the top down and then left to right on the worksheet. In this example, page 2 should be the page to the right, since the table couldn't all fit on page 1. To fix this, click the Page Layout tab and click Print Titles. In the Page Setup dialog box, on the Sheet tab, click Over, then Down, and click OK. And the pages are now numbered correctly. If you want page numbers to start at a number other than 1, 3 for example, double-click the section with the page number. After the page right square bracket, type a plus sign, the number you want to increase the pages by, 2 in this example, and a space. Click anywhere in the worksheet and the page numbers now start at 3. If you don't type the space, in this example, you'll get a first page number of 12, page 1, followed by the number 2. You can have different headers and footers on odd and even pages. For example, you might want to show even page numbers on the left side and odd page numbers on the right side of printed pages. In the Design tab, check Different Odd and Even Pages. On page 1, in the header or footer, select the right section and click Page Number. On page 2, in the header or footer, select the left section and click Page Number again. In this video, you saw how to use the ribbon to add and configure page numbers in the headers and footers of a worksheet. For other sheet types, such as chart sheets, and for embedded charts, you can insert headers and footers only by using the Page Setup dialog box. For information about this, see the article Headers and Footers in a Worksheet on office.com. There's a link to it in the course summary at the end of this course. Up next, header and footer details.